welcome to NeoEnglish, your daily quick English lesson about news. Today's episode is short and useful for beginners.
Hi everyone, I am Ava, and today we talk about an important design change in big tech companies.
The news says Alan Dye will leave Apple and join Meta as Chief Design Officer on December 31st.
He led Apple's UI design team since 2015, and now Meta will give him oversight of hardware, software, and AI integration.
Let us explain the key words first, starting with UI design. UI means user interface. It is what people see and touch on a device or app.
Example 1. The buttons on your phone screen are part of the UI. Example 2. The menus in a website are part of the UI.
Next, Chief Design Officer. This is the top person in charge of design in a company.
Example 1. A chief design officer decides how products should look. Example 2. A chief design officer leads design teams in different offices.
Now hardware and software. Hardware is the physical device, like a phone or headset. Software is the programs and apps that run on the device.
Example 1. A smartphone is hardware. The phone app is software. Example 2. A VR headset is hardware. The VR game is software.
AI integration means adding artificial intelligence to products so they can do smart tasks.
Example 1. A camera that uses AI to improve pictures is AI integration. Example 2. A phone app that uses AI to write messages is also AI integration.
We also saw words like design studio and oversight. A design studio is a team or place where designers work.
Example 1. A company can open a new design studio in a city to hire new designers. Example 2. A design studio draws product ideas and tests them.
Oversight means watching and guiding work. It is making sure the work is done well.
Example 1. A manager has oversight of the team's schedule. Example 2. A lead designer gives oversight on product color and shape.
Now some useful phrases from the news. First phrase, to leave for. It means you stop working at one place and go to another.
Example 1. She left the old company for a bigger job. Example 2. He left the city for a quieter town.
Phrase 2, to take over. It means you start doing the work that someone else did before.
Example 1. She takes over the team after the manager leaves. Example 2. The new coach takes over the football team.
Phrase 3, to join a company. It means you start working for a company.
Example 1. He will join Meta on December 31st. Example 2. I joined my company last year.
Let me tell the story in simple steps. Alan Dye led Apple's UI team since 2015. He designs how Apple's software looks and feels.
Now he will move to Meta to become Chief Design Officer. Meta will open a new design studio and give him oversight of hardware, software, and AI work.
Think of it like a head chef moving restaurants. He cooked for one restaurant for many years. Then he goes to a new restaurant to design the whole menu and kitchen.
Another way, imagine a soccer coach moving from one club to another to lead both offense and defense. That shows how big this change is.
How to use the vocabulary in a sentence. Use UI design when you talk about screens and buttons. Use Chief Design Officer for a top design leader.
Use hardware and software when you say what is the device and what is the program. Use AI integration when you mean smart features added to products.
Quick recap of vocabulary and phrases and the story. Vocabulary. UI design, Chief Design Officer, hardware, software, AI integration, design studio, oversight.
Phrases. To leave for, to take over, to join a company, to open a studio, to give oversight.
Story recap. Alan Dye leaves Apple, where he led UI design since 2015. He will join Meta on December 31st as Chief Design Officer. Meta opens a design studio, and he will oversee design for hardware, software, and AI.
If you want to practice, try making sentences with the phrases. For example, I will join a new class next week. Or, she took over the project yesterday.
If you do not want to miss our daily news lessons, please subscribe to NeoEnglish for new episodes every day.
Thanks for listening, practice the new words, and see you tomorrow on NeoEnglish.